An electrical transformer requires periodic maintenance. This ensures reliable operation and prevents failures. Proper isolation must be followed. Safety procedures. First, the transformer is completely isolated. Circuit breakers and isolators are opened. Lockout-tagout procedures are applied. Appropriate warning signs are installed. After isolation, the absence of voltage is verified using approved test equipment. The transformer is then properly discharged and grounded before maintenance begins. The external condition of the transformer is inspected carefully. Technicians check for oil leakage, damaged bushings, loose connections, and corrosion. They also check for abnormal oil levels. Once the external inspection is complete, the required inspection covers are opened. Cleanliness is important because moisture and dust must not enter. The internal components are visually inspected for signs of overheating. We check for insulation deteriorate, loose connections, and carbon deposit. Moisture, corrosion, or mechanical damage are also assessed. Accessible components are cleaned using approved methods. Electrical and mechanical connections are inspected and tightened according to the manufacturer's specifications. Transformer oil is inspected. A representative oil sample is collected for laboratory testing. Tests include dielectric strength and dissolved gas analysis. Transformer accessories are also inspected. The breather, silica gel, bookholds relay, and oil level indicators are checked. Temperature indicators, operation. Electrical tests are performed according to maintenance procedures. These may include insulation resistance and winding resistance. Turns ratio and other diagnostic tests are also performed. After inspection and testing are completed, all open sections are carefully closed. Gaskets are checked and bolts are tightened according to the specified torque. A final inspection is performed. This is to ensure that all connections, covers, and accessories are in their correct condition. Valves, oil levels, and earthing points are checked. The work area. After confirming that maintenance is complete and all personnel are clear, grounding and lockout devices are removed according to the approved switching procedure. The transformer is then prepared. The transformer is energized under controlled conditions. Its operating parameters are monitored carefully. Any abnormal noise or indication is investigated immediately. Oil leakage is also. Finally, all inspection findings, test results, observations, and corrective actions are recorded in the transformer maintenance report. Proper documentation helps establish a reliable. Regular transformer maintenance is essential for safe and reliable power system operation. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions, approved electrical safety procedures, and site-specific